Can you survive 30 days on nothing but meat? Forget everything you've been told about balanced diets. Forget the superfoods, the kale salads, the green smoothies, and the endless cycle of counting calories from plants that your body might not even be able to use properly. We've been programmed to believe that we need a colorful plate to be healthy, but what if the most powerful, nutrient-dense foods all come from one source? What if the key to unlocking your body's true potential isn't about adding more, but about taking things away? This isn't just another diet trend. This is a radical, ancestral approach to human nutrition. We're going back to basics, to the way our ancestors ate for millennia to build strong bodies and sharp minds. It's called the Carnivore Diet, and its principles are incredibly simple. Eat meat, drink water, and use salt. That's it. No carbs, no sugar, no processed junk, no plant toxins, just the essential building blocks your body needs to not just survive, but to truly thrive. Over the next 30 days, we're going to explore what happens when you commit to this ultimate elimination diet. We'll break down the science behind why it works week by week, from entering ketosis and burning fat for fuel to healing your gut and reducing inflammation. We're talking about a complete metabolic reset. This is your guide to transforming your health from the inside out, using the very foods we were designed to eat. Ready to begin? Welcome to days 1 through 7. This first week is all about adaptation. Your body has likely been running on glucose or sugar for its entire life. We are now going to switch its primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. This metabolic shift is known as entering ketosis. When you remove carbohydrates, your body has no choice but to start breaking down fat, both the fat you eat and your stored body fat, into ketones for energy. This is the fundamental mechanism that makes this diet so powerful for fat loss and metabolic health. You are literally teaching your body to become a fat-burning machine. Now, this transition isn't always seamless. As your body purges its glycogen stores, you will also lose a significant amount of water and electrolytes. This can lead to what some people call the keto flu. You might experience headaches, some fatigue, muscle cramps, and intense cravings for the very carbs you've given up. It's crucial to understand this is not a sign of failure. It's a temporary withdrawal process. Your body is detoxing from a lifetime of sugar and processed foods. The key is to push through, knowing that incredible benefits are waiting on the other side. To manage this phase, we keep things simple and focus on a few key actions. First, your meals should be straightforward and satisfying. Think ribeye steaks, bacon and eggs for breakfast, juicy chicken thighs with the skin on, and rich, fatty ground beef. Don't be afraid of the fat. It is now your primary energy source. Second, you must be generous with good quality salt, like sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. This will replenish the electrolytes you're losing and can dramatically reduce the adaptation symptoms. Making a simple bone broth to sip on is also an excellent strategy. Finally, hydration is non-negotiable. You need to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and support your kidneys as they adapt. Remember, this initial phase is the toughest part of the journey. Your body is undergoing a profound change at the cellular level. Stay committed to these simple principles. Eat fatty meat, use plenty of salt, and stay hydrated. You are laying the foundation for a complete health transformation. Your energy and clarity are just around the corner. We've made it to days 8 through 14. If you push through the first week, you should be starting to feel a significant shift. The initial fatigue and headaches are likely subsiding, and in their place, a new kind of energy is emerging. This is because your body is now becoming fat adapted. It's getting efficient at producing and using ketones for fuel. The result is a stable, consistent energy level throughout the day, without the spikes and crashes you get from carbohydrates. Your brain, which loves ketones, is also starting to benefit, leading to improved mental clarity and focus. With this newfound stability, it's time to elevate your nutrition. While muscle meat is fantastic, relying on it alone can leave some nutritional gaps. This week, we focus on introducing some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, organ meats and fatty fish. Many people are hesitant about organs like beef liver, but it's important to understand why we're eating them. Liver is nature's multivitamin. It is packed with bioavailable vitamin A, B12, copper, folate, and iron. Informs your body can absorb and utilize immediately, unlike their plant-based counterparts. So, how do you incorporate these foods? For many, the taste of liver can be strong. A fantastic pro tip is to finely chop or grind a small amount of beef liver and mix it directly into your ground beef when making patties or meatballs. You'll get all the incredible nutritional benefits without the overwhelming flavor. For your omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health, introduce fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. Even canned sardines are an incredible, convenient, and budget-friendly option. Your meals this week might look like eggs for breakfast with a small side of pan-fried liver, a can of sardines for lunch, or a big plate of ground beef patties for dinner. For snacks, you can rely on pork rinds or beef jerky. Just make sure they don't have added sugar or MSG. As you rotate these nutrient-dense options into your diet, you'll notice your appetite becomes even more regulated. The high fat and protein content, combined with the rich micronutrient profile, sends powerful satiety signals to your brain. You're not just full, you're deeply nourished. We are now in the deep end, days 15 through 21. Your body is fully fat adapted, your cravings are likely gone, and you're experiencing the real magic of this way of eating. This week, we embrace the full nose-to-tail philosophy. This isn't just about being sustainable or honoring the animal, it's about unlocking a whole new level of nutrition that you simply cannot get from muscle meat alone. Connective tissues, bones, and tougher cuts of meat are rich in collagen, gelatin, and specific amino acids like glycine, which are vital for healing your body. You should be noticing some significant improvements by now. Many people report deeper, more restorative sleep. This is often because you've eliminated blood sugar fluctuations that can wake you up at night. Your skin may also be looking clearer and healthier. This is due to the reduction in inflammation and the abundance of collagen-building blocks you're now consuming. And perhaps most importantly, your digestion is likely better than ever. By removing all the fiber, plant toxins, and anti-nutrients, you've given your gut lining a chance to finally heal. This week, let's get adventurous with our cuts of meat. Instead of just steaks and ground beef, look for oxtail, beef shanks, or short ribs. These cuts are perfect for slow cooking or pressure cooking, which breaks down the tough connective tissue and releases all the incredible gelatin and flavor into a rich broth. This is liquid gold for your joints, skin, and gut. Bone marrow is another superfood. You can roast marrow bones and scoop out the marrow to eat directly or mix it with your ground beef. It's incredibly rich in healthy fats and nutrients. Don't forget about other delicious fatty options like pork belly, which you can roast until the skin is crispy, creating cracklings. These tougher, more gelatinous cuts are not only incredibly nutritious but also very budget-friendly. You can make a huge batch of slow-cooked oxtail or beef shank stew that will feed you for days. So the pro tip this week is to explore the butcher's counter. Ask for these cuts. By eating the whole animal, you are providing your body with a complete matrix of nutrients it needs to rebuild and repair from the inside out. Welcome to the final stretch, days 22 through 30. You have fundamentally rewired your metabolism. By this point, the results should be undeniable. The constant hunger is gone, replaced by a deep sense of satiety. Your energy is high and stable, your mood is enhanced, and you might notice a significant reduction in bloating, leading to a flatter stomach. You've proven to yourself that you don't need carbohydrates to function. In fact, you function better without them. This final week is about cementing these habits and learning how to make this a truly enjoyable and sustainable way of life. We're going to add some gourmet touches to keep things interesting and varied. This isn't about deprivation. It's about enjoying rich, delicious, and satisfying food. For breakfast, you could try making egg and bacon muffins by baking whisked eggs and crumbled bacon in a muffin tin. They're perfect for meal prep. For a truly decadent dinner, try pan-searing some lamb chops in duck fat. The flavor profile is incredible, and you're getting a fantastic dose of healthy animal fats. Don't be afraid to explore different types of animal foods. This is also a good time to experiment with high-quality full-fat dairy if you tolerate it. Some people do exceptionally well with it, while others may find it causes inflammation. If you choose to try it, opt for things like grass-fed butter, ghee, or even some high-quality hard cheeses like blue cheese or Parmesan. These can add a new dimension of flavor to your steaks or ground beef patties. Another advanced option for the adventurous is steak tartare, which is raw minced beef. This provides enzymes and nutrients in their most unaltered state. The pro tip for this final week is to focus on meal enjoyment. Plate your food beautifully, savor each bite. Recognize how good this food makes you feel. This mental connection is crucial for long-term success. You are not on a restrictive diet. You are on a healing protocol that nourishes your body at the deepest level. You've completed the 30-day challenge, but the journey doesn't have to end here. You now have the knowledge and experience to listen to your body and give it exactly what it needs to thrive. After 30 days of eating nothing but meat, your body and mind have transformed. You've burned fat, boosted your energy, and healed from the inside out, all by returning to the diet humans were built for. You've disconnected from the addictive cycle of sugar and processed foods and reconnected with a state of metabolic health that you might not have thought was possible. You've experienced firsthand that everything you need to build a strong, lean, and energetic body can be found in the animal kingdom. This 30-day journey was more than just an experiment. It was a powerful reset. You've given your digestive system a much-needed rest, reduced systemic inflammation, and provided your cells with the high-quality fatty acids and amino acids they need to function optimally. You now have a baseline, a new standard for how good you can feel. The question now is, where do you go from here? Is this the beginning of a new, permanent lifestyle for you, or was this the powerful metabolic reset your body needed before you strategically reintroduce other foods? There is no single right answer, only the answer that is right for you and your body. Listen to the signals it's giving you. Whatever you decide, you've accomplished something incredible. Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to start, share your day one below.